Hey, what up, good people? I'm here with Angel Dust, and I brought him to see a 5.9 million rand house in Bryanston. I'll hand him the mic, and then we do the tour together. What do you think about this?
Oh, yeah, this is such a beautiful house and it's spacious. I really like this. I feel like, yeah, this could be like a really, really good home.
You know, there's one thing I really like about this property.
Yeah.
Here's your fridge. You don't have to come with your fridge when you move in there.
Oh,
The fridge is installed already.
that's really nice. And I like it because like,
I mean,
they kind of like take out like the clutter.
cleanliness.
What is it, minimalistic?
Yeah, feel of the entire property. It's very clean.
And what do they have here?
Chair, I think it's just additional storage for you to store.
So
everything.
it's like more.
Yeah. Overall, I really love this kitchen. Like, imagine this is also what 5.9 million. The kitchen really looks good. I mean, it looks good on you, bro. Look at, just stay there. Like your clothing, you really gotta buy this house.
Cooking in the morning, breakfast.
Yes.
And actually, the ambient lighting, right?
Yeah, it's a nice LED underneath there as well. Very cool. This thing is done by Tulawal. It's a company there at yeah, at Design Cutter. Yeah, very.
This actually feels like actual wood.
Yeah, it is wood. It is wood. And if you look further down, same thing there.
Same thing.
And look at it comes with a smeg.
Oh,
Brand new. You're gonna be the first person using this.
and I like for the fact that it's a gas stove than electrical stove, because load shedding and stuff like that.
Things like that. This is really cool.
Yo.
I really think this is also a nice feature. The fact that you can put your 85 inch or 100 inch. No,
It's a 100 inch.
this property suits you, my brother. And look at what they've creatively done over there.
Oh yeah, so this is like your wine cellar.
Exactly, wine cellar. In most houses, this would probably waste. Most times there's nothing happening here, but
Oh yeah, so this is like a space used to
yeah,
have.
just put the wines and your guest toilet over there. Let's go upstairs. Let's go see the bedroom after you, because I want you to. Before we go outside.
So how many bedrooms is this?
4 bed.
4 bed.
Yeah, look at this double volume window here.
Yo.
Very cool. See your garden. Lights coming. And your pajama lounge. Maybe if you're into PlayStation or streaming.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Let's start from this room. Yeah, go in.
Okay, so this is your like those first.
Yeah, first bedroom. Let's say it's an in-suite bedroom without a toilet as well. Bro, just step into the toilet.
I just like the finish here.
The finishing.
Yeah, and it's so
Clean.
clean, so modern. Damn, man. And this floating toilet.
Floating toilet. This is really cool. I really like it too.
Yo,
Cool. And yeah, you can see
it's so big.
the showers are big. Let's go. You still see more.
Alright.
Yeah, I think that's the main. So let's go into. I think you like this bedroom on this corner. Let's go in. Just check that.
A big window. There's a big window.
That's huge.
Let's look at this window. Yeah,
Huge.
kinda like it.
Same bathroom as the previous one.
So all the bedrooms here have AC.
Yeah, they're all en-suite bedrooms. The shower. Nice fittings, black taps, black everything, all black. Really, really good. And let's go into another bedroom. What do you think about it so far? 5.9 million? Would you?
I think it's worth it.
Yeah.
For 4-bedroom.
Balcony?
Especially the area being Bryanston.
Yeah.
Balcony.
Yeah, that's that.
This is bigger than moon balcony.
I mean, you can make a coffee section here.
Yeah.
You chill once in a while. And the funny thing, only 2 units are left in this place. Only 2
It
left.
also has a place like a
Yeah.
bench.
An amok where you can chill.
Oh, this is. So if this is your bedroom, that means
Coffee
this
area.
is where your
Private balcony. Very nice. I mean, the view is just lovely.
Really nice. 5.9 million.
5.9 million. 5.9 million.
Okay.
Bathrooms. Yeah. And so as well.
What is the difference between the first and the second one?
I think because of the fact that it has its own balcony, it's more
Yeah.
luxurious than the rest.
Also, like when it comes to the bathroom, I know
Huge.
this one has a bathtub
Yeah.
on the afternoon and the bathroom.
Yeah.
And it's more like integrated.
Very. So it's just a level up than the rest. Very nice. This bathroom looks good on you, man.
Yo.
Really good.
So this could be like an ensuite, right?
Yeah,
Two
it's
systems.
ensuite. But I think this is more luxurious ensuite than the others. Like the size of this pyjama area. Drum roll. This is one of my favorite rooms. Just going to the bathroom first.
Alright.
Boom. The texture on this wall.
You can just tell that this is the main one.
Also, guys, before we go too far into the video, I met Angel Dust through a YouTube video. I just saw it on my house and I'm like, let me reach out to this guy. And in the minute I sent him a message, he responded and look at us. So quick. I appreciate that, man. You struggle to meet people and collaborate this way with them. This is really good.
Oh, bro, I'm pulling it off. But this, guys,
Huge. Easy nails, bath, shower, and sinks.
with your wife.
Yeah. 2 volume mirrors. This shower size is huge. If you have 3 wives,
3 wives.
yeah, you can do your thing in there. So huge, right?
Well, I was to take a shower here.
The bathtub, the storage, the clothing, the closets. Huge.
Like a walk-in closet way.
Yeah. It's a walk-in closet. So you can see the previous one we went to is ensuite, but this is even more luxurious than that one.
So this is like a
Step above again. It also has a balcony on that side, but I think it's not as big as the one we came from.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like the bedroom it's also decent. I like this feature over there.
All the windows. So if you were to open this window, you can.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this is just to let lights come in, not really for opening, yeah. And you have a balcony again on this side.
So I guess this, if you want a, you use this as a window.
Yeah. So, very nice.
So this has like a way better bathroom.
Yeah.
But in terms of overall, this unit is.
So which do you prefer, this or that? I think because of the balcony, yeah, it's quite big.
Balcony is bigger.
It's bigger.
Yeah.
Cool. Nice. You can go down and see.
So how
Like-
this one side?
Yeah, we're going to go to the exterior of the property now. Bro, I really like your car, man.
Thanks. So
This was-
the guys need to tell me that if I buy this house,
Yep.
5.9 million. Should I still keep this car? Does this car fit the aesthetics?
No, I think it fits the aesthetic.
So they should let me know. The channel should let me know.
You should definitely keep your car. It suits this house.
So this is how I'll be parking it.
I don't think you park like this. You probably cross park it like this.
Oh yes.
You want to do that? Ask him to cross park it.
Cars.
Don't you want to ask him to cross park it? Ask him to. Cool. And check out your neighbors too. Nice.
I'm just gonna let him park it.
And then we
Fit the aesthetics
Yeah.
of how I park.
Nice. So let's go show you the back of the house.
So
Thanks.
what is this place?
So because I don't have the key, we could have gone through the front of the house. So this is like you're just going through the back of the property to get to the back of it. Of course, there's an entrance inside, but I just don't. Kitchen, scullery.
Oh, Scarlet.
Yeah. Cleaning, Additional tank in case City of Joburg decides to do their thing with water.
Very nice.
You know you're in Bryanston.
Additional tank, water. Fill.
So whenever there's no water,
Yeah.
you got water.
All right.
So yeah, if you have kids, dogs, cats, enough place to chill. And also, there's privacy.
Yeah,
You know?
no one can see.
No one can see. Very nice.
And the pool, I don't mind the size.
Yeah.
It's not like your.
I
It's
mean,
not a public pool.
it's not a public pool, so
It's just you and your 2 wives.
I mean, 2 wives, if you're into that. Above all, I think this property is worth it for me. Let me know what you think.
It's worth it, especially looking at the area, Bryanston. It's
Mm.
not a cheap place to live.
Yeah, it's not.
So it's definitely beautiful. I love the aesthetics. I love the dark colors, especially in the bathrooms.
Yeah.
The taps.
The taps, the fittings, black, brown, white.
Black is very elegant.
Very elegant. Favorite spot? I think this is my favorite in terms of the outdoor.
It looks kind of
Spacious. And it comes with a tree. That tree raises the price to additional 200k because this thing is probably like a 100-year-old tree.
real.
I'm just saying. Have you look at it? Probably
Yeah,
50, 100.
yeah.
Yeah, it's a long time tree. So you pay for that too. So 6 million. 6.1.
I didn't know you pay for the trees.
Yeah, it's a feature. Because Christmas lights, a lot of funny things can be done with it.
Yeah.
And it becomes like an old aesthetic. Above all, that's it from myself and Angel. It's nice collaborating with you, my brother.
All right, man. Thanks a lot for the viewing.
Oh.
Appreciate it.
It's nothing, man. Don't forget to subscribe to each channel, my channel. Let's keep building this community. I'm sure this is one out of many other videos we'll make together. We're probably gonna go to Stan City. We tried going in there today, but
Hey.
a whole lot of drama. Another day. See you guys on the next one.